Welcome to AutoSCORES. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to upload your SCAL data and run your simulations using the automatic history matching tool. Please remember that this website is optimized for Google Chrome browser. Step 1. Go to SCORES website. For new users, you need to register first by selecting a subscription option. Existing users can click on Login. Step 2. Enter AutoSCORES simulator by clicking AutoSCORES button. Tick here the types of experiments that you want to match. If a saturation profile is available from the relative permeability experiment, please tick Yes. Enter the project name and select the type of flooding. When ready, click on the red button to continue. Enter and upload your data in the AutoSCORES initialisation data panel. Starting at the left, click the button to select the experimental data. Before you upload a file, click on the thumbnail next to the message to view how the format of your file should look like. Now that the file is selected, press Upload. Continue uploading the rest of the data. Please keep the file format into account. Uploading a file with the wrong format will result in incorrect output or an error. One more file and we are ready. In this case, multi-speed centrifuge data. Now all the experimental data has been uploaded. In the same panel, go to section 2. Enter 6 Cori parameters here. This data can come from your lab experiment, and these are your initial estimates at this time. Section 3. The capillary pressure curve needs to be input as a table of exactly 11 points. The first and the last point are directly linked to the numbers you input for the Cori parameters. Section 4. Choose what you want to optimize. In Section 5, select your desired accuracy for history matching. To assist the user, we have set default values for simulation accuracy on a scale of 0, assuming a large noise level, to 5 for highly precise data. Section 6. AutoSCORES will now request detailed information on each laboratory experiment you have selected on the front page. Subsequently, AutoSCORES will conduct a single test run for you to review all submitted data in a plot on screen. In case of severe mismatch, you will want to come back and revise some of the filled out data. Step 4. Input your detailed data for each experiment. Enter rock and fluid data on the left side of the page. Relative permeability and PC table are now automatically filled in for you. The flow rate table, or RPM for the centrifuge case, needs to be filled out. The user needs to supply a number for end of experiment. On the right side, in the simulator control field, press Test Your Input button. This tool runs a quick simulation, not fully history matched yet, for you to see if data is entered correctly and consistently. Repeat the same procedure for each dataset until all your experiments are ready. Step 5. Press Start History Match to initiate the automatic history matching routine. Keep the Chrome window open. It can take up to 3 minutes to see the first plots to appear. Each iteration will take about 5 minutes, and typically 7 to 10 iterations are required. When finished, AutoSCORES will automatically return to the main page and your simulated data will be sent to you in an email.